Hello world, this is David Pons from 1986. Today I want to share with you the coolest feature I've developed so far, a little piece of software that takes the information from your MS Access database and publishes it into your Trello mobile or website application with just one click. This is tremendously useful, for example, if you want to automatically communicate details about the jobs that are coming in the next few days to your installation team from your database straight to their cell phones. This time I won't show you how to do it. I just want you to know that the possibility is there and how it works. Now, let's see it in action. Okay, here we go. Let's start imagining that you have an Access database in which you have put information about the projects you are working on currently. I split my database into parts, the back end and the front end. This is a best practice to prevent the corruption of the data in your back end database and to make it easier for the user to enter the information into the database. If we open it, we can find inside information about the projects like the ID of the project, the name of the project, the address of the project, some contact information, category for the products that you are installing in that project, the amount that you are going to install, a description about the job, and the installation that you have originally planned, and perhaps confirmation data from the superintendent telling you that you are allowed to go and install your products into that construction site, for example, and some comments about the conversation you have had with the superintendent or with any other representative of your client, dated and briefly describing what you talk about. So this would be your part A in the system, and then we can navigate to any browser of your choice and open the Trello application. For the sake of this demonstration, I've created a dummy account with a dummy board in it. So this would be your Trello account actually, and this can be any of your existing boards, which I named board test 1 and board test 2. In board test 1, we can find information that I've already published, but I'm going to republish again so you see the software in action. In this board, you find order by date all the cards that represents the details that you want to transmit to your installers, so they know what works they have to do the next day or the next day or even the next week, whatever you want to. This can be easily customized. And in this card you can find information about the number of the project, the type of product, the amount. If you have many installers, you can indicate who is going to install what project and with which vehicle, for example, in which address, and what day the client confirmed that you are allowed to go to their site and install your products. And if you click in it, you can see contact information that the installers may need, or a brief job description so they know what to do on site. I've also added an extra feature that creates a green level every time you put an address on the confirmation date, so your installers can easily know, and you as well, if the client has already confirmed, so you are sure that you are allowed to go there and install your products. And if I put this on the side and my database on the left side, we can corroborate the data. We can see that the information on the database match the information on your Trello account, which also match the information on your Trello app, because the Trello app can also be found in your any smartphone. So here we have, for example, the project 343, which is this row in your database, correspond to the project name K, address K, contact info K, type of product shoot, and amount 15. And we can see that the same information it's been displayed in the Trello app. Now we can navigate to the shortcut I've created on my desk, and if we click on it, we can see the software in action. So basically, in this window is describing what the software is doing, which starts by erasing all previous information, then taking the information from your Access database to end publishing it back into the Trello application that is going to be at the same time synchronized with your smartphone. And in order to prevent saturation of the Trello server, I've limited the software to correspond to the limits that the Trello API uh, has published. And also, there is an extra feature in the software that erases all the existing Trello cards so you don't reach the limit ever. This is going to also erase all other cards that you have archived in Trello, so pay attention to that. I hope you like the little magic you have seen today, and if you want to bring it to your working environment, please reach out and let's discuss about it. See you around.